What up, guys? I have my flash on. Actually, we're here at the Waterfalls again, but this time in daytime. Yay! What? The camera's right there. What are you talking about? What? No, I can't see because you know what, Mom? You're complaining. Oh my God, Mom, that's not how. It's not gonna see me like that. Okay, you don't know the vlog life. Oh my God. Anyways, we're back here again. Oh, look at that pretty owl right there. I'm gonna turn off the flash. Hey, Mom, you wanna explore this place?
Huh?
You wanna explore? Wanna explore?
Explore?
Explore.
Explore.
Yeah, like instead of going that way, we go this way. Just to explore.
If I get lost, what you gonna do?
No, we're gonna explore, Mom.
¿Viste ya las iguanitas que hay?
The what?
Iguanas.
Yeah. Just trying to point one out to you. You are looking the other way. Every time. Every time. Every time.
This brings you back to the pool area.
To the pool area.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you want to go to Shangri-La, you go this way.
But what if we're trying to just, explore?
But I want to go to Shangri-La.
But I want to explore!
I don't have time to explore.
We got time. We have time.
A few moments later.
But it doesn't say there's anything back here. Everything needs an update. We are making one for you. I guess back that way. Wanna go that way?
No, I want to go to
Okay, go. Follow the shark. Bye. Hey, what's this place?
I don't know where Shangri-La is.
What's here? What's in here? I want to see what the temperature is. Pretty warm. Where'd she go? Mom, where'd she go? Shangri-La. This is where like the lights were, remember? But where are they?
No, I lose it.
Yes, they are. But let's go. I want to go up here. I'm going up here. I'm coming through here. Where's this go? Where am I going? Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. And we're going back and tell them it's pretty. I'm gonna get lost. This is what I'm saying. Oh my God, it's raining. I'm here, it's hungry. Pop. I'm going up this way. Found it. It rains here every day. Mom, there's a prettier spot. Over here, follow me. I want to see what's down there then. What are you trying to do?
Take me a picture of myself.
Okay, ready? Let's go this way. I'm going in with it. Right there. Oh, it's so warm. get up there. Okay, Senor Sail. Hello, Senor Snail. Are we annoying you? Senor Snail. Okay, bye-bye.
24 hours later.
What up? Alright, today is the day after the vlog you're watching today. I'm making stuff very confusing. Anyways, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here because it's the next day. So